Hello, this is Tim Hickey in the Computer Science Department, and I want to give you a tour of this app, the Peer Review app, which you can use to increase the engagement in your class if you take it online. So, Peer Review app is looks like this after you've got several courses. You can create a new course here, and it'll pop up on this window, or you can enroll in a course by giving a 7-digit PIN. So here, there's one course. When you create a course, there's an automatic 7-digit PIN that gets created. So students can cut and paste that in there, and they will be enrolled in your class as a student. So you can create problem sets. I usually have one problem set for each day because I'm using it in class. Sometimes some programming assignments or for homework. If I click on one of these, as an instructor, I can add problems. And here's an example of one problem. So I was looking at the else if, the if and else if statements, and the students were asked to answer this. Let me show you what it looks like from the student's point of view. Here's a student viewpoint. Click on LF. They have the question, then they have to put their answer here. So I know the answer. It's going to be A, B, C, one on each line, and they submit it. Submit. Okay, now there are 94 answers, and from the student's point of view, they can then review other people's answers, see the reviews of their answer, or see their reviews of other people's answers. Let me review other answers. So here's somebody's answer. I can say yes, it's perfect. There's an optional rubric that the instructor can create. I'll say very nice and submit. And then I see other people's answers. There weren't any other reviews, so do another review. ABC, this is correct. I'll say yes, submit, and continue. So here's another one. This is pretty easy. Submit. Aha, so this one is wrong. So I'm going to give them partially correct, and I'll say the actual answer is A, B, C, one letter on each line, and submit. And here I can see other ones, so somebody else gave it a 1 out of 2, and this is my review. Maybe do one more. If x is greater than or equal to 90, it will print A. If it's between 89, it will print A and B. Between 70 and 80, it will print A, B, and C. So I'll say correct, but in this case, x is 90, so it prints A, B, C. And actually, so I'll only give them 1 and submit. And this person gave 2, so I was a little bit steeper. Okay, back to the problem. From the instructor's point of view, they can watch and see how many students have answered it. They can also click on the Show All Answers button after enough people have answered it, and you see all the answers with reviews. So this gives you the opportunity to go through and debrief the class. They're all sorted alphabetically, so lexicographically, so in this case where there is one right answer, all those answers appear together. You can skip over them. Great. Back to the problem, and back to the problem set. Back to list of problem sets. Home. Oops. So let me show you another example of what you can do. There's a summarized student info. So here, and this is a little fake course. You can see for each person enrolled in the course how many problems they completed, how many answers they reviewed, and what their average review score was. Now you can create a new course like this and enter the course name. So I'll say testing security, say that you're not a robot, create the new course, and it appears over here. If you click on it, then you can start adding problem sets. So this is intro, save. For problem set, you can add a problem, introduce yourself. So, where are you from? And what is your name and major? So there doesn't actually have to be a problem that has a correct answer. Give them 1 point and submit. Clicking on this, students will answer it. You'll see how many have answered it. And then you can click show all answers and see all the answers. Okay, I hope this is useful. If you have any other questions, you can contact me at tjhickey@brandeis.edu. This is free, open source, and should easily be able to handle thousands of students working at the same time.